All right, today we are applying the knowledge that we have been learning about factoring different types of polynomials, and I know how much you all love word problems, so that is my gift to you today.
Yay!
Isn't that a nice gift? Yay!
It's a wonderful gift.
Okay, so here we go. We actually, this is something to celebrate. Ready? We only have 2 examples today.
Yeah!
Let's celebrate that. Okay.
Wait a second. They're going to be long.
Yeah.
They're actually not that long.
Cool.
Done
Let's get
number
this.
1.
All right, here we go. The square of a number minus twice the number is 48. I'm going to write this out very strategically on this side of the paper. So the square of a number minus twice the number is 48. Yeah, slow. Go ahead.
I just wanted to say how you write it.
Go ahead. Yep.
X squared minus 2x equals 48.
Cool. Everybody give it up for Sloan.
Oh.
Nicely done. Nicely done. Okay. How many people clap if you agree with Sloan?
Yeah! Clapping.
Questions on that? So how many people think clap if you can solve this? Or raise your hand.
I already
Oh,
solved it.
sorry.
Okay, so can someone tell me how we would go about solving this? Let's go ahead and have Zach. All right, everybody give it up for Zach.
Yeah!
Squared minus 2x minus 48 equals 0. Okay, and then what?
Oh,
Is that the end? Are we done? It says find the number, so we probably need to find something. Thane?
You would make that.
Cool, we make it a diamond. Give it up for Thane.
yeah.
Maybe we should just yell out the person's name. Thane!
Yes.
What's that?
Hey.
Okay, so what goes in the top of the diamond? Sloan?
Or negative 48.
Sloan!
Oh.
Okay, now what goes in the bottom of the diamond? Sloan.
Negative 2.
Sloan!
Oh.
Okay, now what goes... Oh, you can just leave it right there. Thank you very much. All right, how about in the sides? Do we have... We're looking for 2 numbers that multiply to negative 48 that also add up to negative 2. 2 numbers that multiply to negative 48 that also add up to negative 2. Desi. Desi!
Desi!
Nice job. Okay, what do we do next? What do we do next? Thane. Transfer the X. Thane. This is really weird, I'm not going to lie. All right, Liz?
X minus 8.
Liz! It's really weird.
I don't like it.
I'm feeling a little embarrassed up here, but that's okay.
Do you
Okay.
want us to just say various, like...
I actually, no, I kind of like the name thing. Now, you guys learn each other's names that way. All right, now what? Now what?
Oh,
Shuggy.
Very.
jeez. I'm going to write them to make both equal here. So, like, x minus 8 equals 0, then x plus 6 equals 0.
Shuggy. Nicely done. All right, now what? Somebody tell me how to solve both of them. Tyler.
You add 8 to both sides and you minus 6.
Good. Tyler. Nicely done. Okay. Now, it says find the number. It's possible that we have 2 solutions in this one, so we have 2 numbers, and that's okay. That happens sometimes. Everybody!
Everybody!
All right. What's up, Zach?
So are they just word problems? Are we doing the same stuff?
Well, the next one's a little different. Okay, questions on this one? Okay,
The last example.
this is the last one. Yay for the last one.
Yay for the last one.
Okay, here we go. The width of a rectangle is 5 centimeters less than the length. The area is 24 centimeters squared. Find the dimensions. Okay. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I'm kind of a visual person. If I want to put up a picture that represents the kind of shape we're talking about in this, a triangle would be a good one to put up, right? This picture would make sense?
Yep.
Who said yep?
Him.
Okay.
Solano.
Let me ask a question. What does it say? What shape does it tell me I'm dealing with in this problem?
A rectangle.
A rectangle. Is this a rectangle?
Yes, it is. It's a very distorted rectangle.
If you look at it at an angle.
If you look at it at an angle. Okay. What would be a good shape to put up here?
A rectangle.
It might be good to put a rectangle. Lorenzo, why might it be good to put up a rectangle?
I didn't say rectangle. He said rectangle.
Oh, okay. Aiden, why would it be a good idea?
Because in the problem it says the width of a rectangle.
The width of a rectangle. All right, Aiden. Okay. Now, is that a rectangle? Did I draw a rectangle up here? No? I did? Okay. You all in agreement that this is a decent enough rectangle to deal with? Okay. So we have up here, we have a length of the rectangle, and we have a width. Okay. How many people, can somebody raise your hand and tell me what letter you would like to use for length? Raise your hand if you feel very strongly about a specific letter for length. I will tell you what last period did in just a minute, but I'll let you guys get this one first. Tyler?
T.
T. Oh, okay. Tyler. Tyler. Okay. Aiden.
Can I pick width?
Sure.
Can I pick two letters? Or just one?
Let's just pick one. If we have two, then it makes it seem like we're solving for two separate things.
R.
R. Okay. Aiden.
So what period
Here's
was
what
it?
they wanted to do last period. They wanted to use W for length and L for width.
Oh, no.
How confusing is that?
That would
I
make
banned
sense.
it. I banned it. I said we're not going to do it that way. All right. Everybody think back. Let's take a trip back to geometry. How many people can tell me how to find the area of a rectangle? I have like 2 hands up, by the way. Okay, Olivia. What is it? Cool, Olivia. Okay, good. Now, the question I have for all of you, now that we have our area formula up here, we want to start putting stuff in based on what it tells us in the problem. It says up here something about the area. It says something about the width relative to the length. So, what do you guys think? Can someone tell me what to plug in where? Here, into our formula. A bunch of different things that we have. But, Zach?
Plug in 55 for just 5 for the width.
Okay. It says, let's just make sure we're all on the same page. It says the width is 5 centimeters less than the length.
Oh.
Okay, so how would that look? If we know the... Go ahead.
That would be T minus 5.
Good. Okay. Zach, nicely done. Okay. Okay. What else? So now we have the width. What next? What else can we plug in?
The length.
Thane? We have 2 choices, length or area, of which we have either a letter or a number for either of those.
For length, you could put L plus 5, since it's 5 more than the width.
Okay, since we already took care of that in the width piece, then let's leave it like that, but we can put something else in for the length. Tyler?
C 5 centimeters squared.
Good. 24 goes where? For area
Oh,
or length?
24. I thought it was C. I feel stupid.
Oh, no, you're good. Does it go in for area or length?
Goes for area.
Area. It says in the problem the area is 24, so we plug in 24 for the area. What do I plug in for length? What variable did we assign for length?
T.
T. Okay. So now what do I do if I want to solve this for T? Nicole? Michelle? Thank you. Okay, yes, I did. I apologize. Okay, what's that? Yes. Okay, so it says in the problem, the question was, are they both supposed to be T's? Yes, because it says here that the width is 5 centimeters less than the length. If the length is T, 5 centimeters less than that would be T minus 5. So we're saying that R equals T minus 5. Okay, that's a good question. Thank you. Sloan?
Can we distribute the
Yes, we can. Let's distribute the T. So we get T squared minus 5T equals 24. Nicely done. Everybody give it up for Sloan. Okay, then what do we do to solve this for t? Tyler.
Subtract 24 from both sides.
Cool, everybody give it up for Tyler. Okay, so I'm going to flip it around so that all of my stuff is on the left-hand side and I have the 0 on the right, but you can do it the other way if you like. How would I go about solving this for t? Shuggy.
I'm sorry, I have a question.
Yes.
What about the disgusting cm cubed that's behind the 24?
That's a centimeter, stands for centimeter.
C.
I know, so that-
Oh.
so
That's, we're going to use that. It tells us what units we start out with. It says up here 24 cm squared. That stands for centimeters squared. We don't need to put it into this. We just need the number. But what we are going to use that for is at the end, once we solve for the length and the width, put the appropriate units on. Yes, good question. Thank you. Okay, now how would I go about solving this? T squared minus 5t minus 24 equals 0. Diamond. Good. Okay, who can tell me what goes in the top? Negative 24. Bottom? Negative 5. Left and right. Alan? Negative 8 and 3. All right. Good job, Alan. Okay, then give it up for Alan. Yes.
Yeah, good job, Marcy.
Okay? So, what happens now? Thane?
You already distributed these. So you would have t minus 8 and t plus 3.
Equals 0. Okay, then if we want to solve that, how would I go about solving that for t? How do I go about solving that for t? Liz?
Okay, so well then you have to add 8 to the first one and then subtract 3.
Cool. Everybody give it up for Liz. There we are. We're all around. So what we said just a little bit ago, we said that we were going to use that centimeters squared to put the appropriate units on. Well, if we're starting in centimeters, that means we want to put centimeters on both of these. Now, you guys tell me. In the last problem, we ended up getting 2 answers. And then they both worked. They were both fine. In the context of this problem, are both of these answers okay?
No.
Okay, we say no. Why not? So can someone tell me which one does not work and why it does not work? Aiden?
Would it be the negative one?
It would be the negative one. Why would it be the negative one? Ladies.
Because the final answer is a positive, not a negative.
Okay. Okay. Everybody give it up for Aiden. Okay, so the negative does not work. Can somebody else convince me, while I do like his response of the answer is positive, can someone else convince me? I'm still not convinced yet that the negative doesn't work. Somebody convince me. Why does the negative not work? Here. If we're talking about the length of something. Okay, Lorenzo?
Well, because you can't have like negative sides because it just doesn't make. Because if it's 0, then it's just not there, and you can't go.
Right.
Doesn't exist.
Right. You can't have a negative length of something. Everybody give it up for Lorenzo. Okay. So, we know, it says in the problem, if we go back to the original directions, it says that what we want to do is find the dimensions. We found t, which we called the length. How do we find the other one, r, or the width? What do we do now that we know that the length is 8? Thane?
Well, you subtract 5 from that
How do we know we subtract 5 from it again?
because it said that the width would be length minus 5.
Good. The width would be the length minus 5. So we do r equals t minus 5, or 8 minus 5. Everybody give it up for Thane. All right. And that is the end of that. All right. Questions on this? Yes. R is the width. Back in the very beginning, we said t was length and r was width. All right. Any other questions? This? Yep. All right. So I'm going to let you guys take a look. That's your homework.
Quiz time?
No.
We are going to have a quiz.
Why? Did you say that?
She was gonna say
It's a factoring quiz, but not right now. I'm going to give you guys like 15 minutes to start working on this assignment. And then we will do our factoring quiz. Any questions? Okay, everybody send us off. We didn't even do our intro here. Everybody send us off. We're done with notes. Yay.